it's Tanza. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be shooting a tutorial on this double liner with multi-colors. It gives me this carnival vibe. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this glamorous look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I've already prepped my face. So I have everything on, blush, bronzer, lipstick, everything is on. So to start off with this double liner, the first thing that I want to do is to outline my eyes. So outline exactly the shape that I want the deep double liner to create. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna mark this. So I just want to stretch out my skin so I don't make a mess. So I want to go up and stop right here, and then I want to create okay, great. So that's done. So I've outlined exactly how I want my double wing line to look. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a black liner and I'm just gonna outline that. So the liner that I'm using is the Milani black liner, so I'll go in with that and I'm just gonna draw over the white line. Okay, so that's done. So I've outlined with the black. Now I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner, a black liquid liner, just to intensify that a bit, just to make it a little bit more sharp. Okay, great. Once that's done, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of color now. But what I wanna do first though, I wanna apply a little bit of liner on the bottom of my eyes just to bring that in. So I'm just gonna spread that. So that's done. Okay, and what I want to do next is I want to add some color to that. So what I'm gonna do, I love this lime green, but it's actually in a powder. I've had this for years. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix a little bit of sealant, and this is by Starway Cosmetics. This is a sealant. It's actually a makeup sealant. You can mix it with any powdered makeup, and it actually creates like a liquid type of makeup. So I'm just gonna mix that at the back of something that I have. So I'm gonna, a tiny bit of powder, actually I need a little bit more. So a tiny bit of powder like this, I'm gonna mix it just to the back of this right here. I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of the makeup sealant. So let me just bring that up so you can see. But let me just pour a little bit of the sealant. A tiny bit should be enough. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I'm just gonna mix that in. So hopefully you can see that to form like a liquid consistency. So this is sort of like a lime green color. Okay, great. So hopefully you can see that though, but this is how it looks right here. Okay, now the first color that I want to add, I'll go in, let me just see these shades right here. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blue, so I'll add the blue to the bottom of my lash. So the bottom of my eye, so let me just add that right here. And I just want to be gentle because I want to make sure I don't add too much of that. Make sure I don't add too much. Okay, now what I want to do, I also want to add a little bit of the gold shade. So I'm going to add the gold right up here. So I'm just doing various colors. Okay, now with the light green that I just created, I'm gonna use, because I don't have a applicator brush for it, so I'm just gonna wipe up the excess from what I just used here, the gold color. I'm gonna apply some of that. Let's see how that comes out. So right here, I'm just gonna, let's see what the best way is. So I'm gonna apply some of that right here. And I'm not gonna do the whole thing, I'm just gonna stop halfway. So I'm gonna stop. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Sorry but my mic cut off halfway through the tutorial, but I hope you still learned a lot. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.